here real quick. And hey, guys, we're here very shortly with Brother Stephen. I wanted to get him in today because he has got some powerful training that you guys need to know about. Purpose and Power Coaching, the virtual training series by Mr. Stephen Walker. And I want to hear more about this certified giant leadership coach there, Brother Walker. I want to hear more about that. But tell us what's going on, my friend. We want folks to sign up. Guys, we want you to sign up. We want you to shoot this out. But I want Brother Walker to tell us more about it. I'm going to get out the way so you guys can see the flyer there. But go ahead, Brother Walker. Tell us about this wonderful coaching and training coming up tomorrow, my friend. Appreciate you.
Sure. No, thank you for bringing me on your network and
Absolutely
introducing me to your audience. I
Yes, sir.
appreciate
Yes, sir.
that. We are going to have this training tomorrow. It's going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
And it's a peace index training. Is basically we're going to be talking about peace, how to get your peace in 2023. And there's five key areas. So we're going to drill down into those areas where we may not have peace. There may be some instability, some gaps. And look at how do we fix that? Instead of just every day living through the pain of not knowing what to do, we can look down into these areas and specifically target them with a strategy. We actually can have peace.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, the world has gone through turmoil for the last 2-3 years, brother. It's been rough.
Yes.
For a lot of people. And I think that, if you poll people right now, the majority of people they don't have peace. They don't have peace in their present.
Yeah.
The outlook looks shaky for their future. And but you only can control what you can control. And that's the thing that I want to talk about on the training and talk through the Peace Index tool and how that works.
Fantastic. Hey, let me pop back in here. I want you guys to see that flyer there that's available too. I want you guys to, it's only $25, guys, to sign up. $25. That's reserve your seat today. I want you guys to push this out too as well. Business workshop, Purpose and Power Coaching, the Peace Index too. I love it, man. That's
they can go to my website too, mypurposemypower.com. Registration's right there on the homepage. Mypurposemypower.com, and you can go ahead and register right now.
Fantastic. I'm gonna pop back in here. Guys, one thing I love what Dr. Walker was saying there, Brother Stephen Walker. He's a powerful speaker, folks. No doubt about that, trainer and coach. But one thing he mentioned that most of the time with me, I just wanted to know the solution, Brother Walker, to what was going on, and I know, stuff comes up, it's called life, but I didn't know how to solve it all the time. So that was the part I had. So my peace wasn't there because I didn't know what to do. So it's so good to have this training, man, and give some guidance and tools that people can have, because you're right. We got 8 billion people, and I can tell you everybody got something going on in their life, all 8 billion of them. So
Kevin, when you think about peace, I mean, you think about, on your day-to-day basis, most of us know that something's not right, that there's areas of our life that need improvement. But we don't know what they are. And if you don't know what they are, then you don't know what to do.
That's right.
And so what the Peace Index tool is going to do is really give us a baseline to measure where are you currently, where are you right now in the 5 key areas of purpose, place, provision, physical health, and the people that's in your life. And we're going to talk through that just to help you see where you are so that we can know where you need to grow to, where you need to go to.
Oh, love it. Yeah, that's good stuff. Because see, we got to get to the root cause of stuff, Brother Stephen, too, as well. That's what people got to be willing to do, that to get to the root of the area. If you got certain feelings, you need to express that, and make sure we understand that, so we know how to properly coach you and train you in that area. So yeah, that's powerful. That's going to help a lot of people. And also too, Brother Stephen, this is for young people as well, right? We're talking about young adults, right? Yeah.
From children to elderly, we all have areas of our life that we can actually change. And if you want things to change in your life, you have to change.
Yeah, absolutely.
And in order for that to happen, you really have to be honest with yourself. You have to assess your environment and things around you. And you have to be willing to take the steps to change the outcomes.
That's right. That's exactly right. And don't be scared, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be scared. It's going to help you, believe me, without a doubt.
Yeah, the best is yet to come. As long as you get the right information, you can follow those steps. And we talked about this just before you started taping, is that having that plan and that program to walk things out is important. And that's why people need a business coach or a coach to guide them through the process of learning what they don't know. So they can go ahead and get to where they want to go.
Absolutely. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Power Connections with Kevin Vaughan and my wonderful guest today and friend and business partner, Stephen Walker. He is the certified giant coach, ladies and gentlemen, for Purpose and Power Coaching. And he's got that Peace Index. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get out the way here. That Peace Index. I love that area, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? You can also share this, guys. Share this with people that you know on your network. We want this on Twitter. It's going to go out on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. but you guys also share it on your network as well. I've got several people that are going to get this today as well. And I trust that you guys take advantage of this time. It'll be tomorrow, guys, Thursday. So you got some time, only $25. Wow, just incredible value there that you're going to get for Mr. Walker. Well, Brother Stephen, we got to go, but I want to give you some final thoughts. Any takeaways, anything you want to share before we close out, my friend?
Yeah, this training is, we have 64 tools to teach from. This is just the first one.
Wow.
And this tool is not just for right now, but it's for the rest of your life. This
Absolutely.
is the type of tool that you can use throughout your entire life to really help coach you through the process of taking control of the areas, those 5 key areas that we talked about.
Yes, sir.
And it's in every stage of your life. And so where you are right now, if you take the time to, you'll spend $25 on a lunch for you and a friend, go to the movies, and that has no impact on your life for you forever. And so just think about this as a short-term investment for a long-term benefit. And if you come to this course, you're going to get the tools you need to make the changes you need in your future, and make sure that your 2023 is the best year of your life.
Absolutely. That's what we're talking about, folks. It's all about you. The reason why we brought them on is about you guys. We want you to be get to your best self yet, give you the tools, also keep that mind intact as well on top of all of that. But you got to know what to do. So thank you so much, Brother Walker, for this opportunity, folks. Hey, I'm going to pop out, guys, so you guys, if you're just joining us, so you can see the flyer there as we get ready to close out. There's the flyer there. I want you guys to take a picture of that and push this out as well.
Yeah, and go to my website, mypurposemypower.com, mypurposemypower.com, and you can register right now and get your ticket and share that link out to other people as well.
Sounds good. I thank you so much, Brother Walker.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right. God bless you, folks. Hey, take care, everybody. We'll see you next time on the network. God bless.